Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can mount and install the Rainbird Reticulation controller for your home. First we need to drill into the wall to allow us to put in the plug. Now I'm going to put a wall plug into the hole in the wall that I just drilled. Then there's one more at the bottom. Now at the back of the unit there is a mounting bracket that we can mount the unit onto one of the screws at the top. Okay, if we open the unit cover on the inside, there is one more screw that we need to put on. Now I have applied a washer because the hole at the bottom is too big and I haven't got the right screw for this unit, so I'm going to use a washer. So if you don't have the correct screw size, you can use a washer and that will able to do the job. So make sure it is nice and tight and secure, and that's it. So that's how you can install and mount your Rainbird unit or the controller onto a wall. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.